Selamat Idul Fitri. Oh, hi guys! So today I'll be showing you how to make one of the easiest and tastiest chicken satay. This is known as satay ayam. By the way guys, this chicken satay is one of the most popular dishes. It's sold out in almost all of our events that we do. Let's start off with the chicken. Slice it this way in strips. Let's marinate the chicken. Now we're gonna be using our signature chili paste. This is one that's gonna give it a nice umami flavor. Now we're gonna season it with a bit of salt. Then we're gonna mix it up and let it sit for 5 minutes. Simple as that. Selamat Idul Fitri. Okay, let's skewer them now. So now, let's go barbecue some chicken satay. Look at my satay. So with our satay paste, I'm just gonna dunk this in. It's juicy and you get nutty flavor as well from the peanuts and the chicken along with the signature paste. The umami flavor is just amazing, melts in your mouth. So guys, if it's a sunny day and perfect for barbecue, make sure you try this one out. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!